Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to show you how to export ChatGPT chat and data. So the full data export contains your entire chat history. So uploaded user files and underlying profile metadata. So what we are going to do, obviously you need to be logged in. Then we will click on the bottom left corner on profile picture and then go to the settings. Now here in this pop-up window, we will click here on data control. Find the export data. So at the bottom, you will find export data field at the bottom, and on the right side, click on export. Now here is another pop-up window, and confirm the export. And now what we need to do is basically go to the email, and right here you will get, but we don't have it yet, basically email from OpenAI that you can that you can download your data export. It takes a few minutes to get to your email, but you have 24 hours then that you download this data. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.